Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Monday, December 1st, and this is my PM recap for gold, and we're on the 1 hour time frame. So, gold, this morning I was saying that we're pretty much only looking for longs. We ended up going down pretty good, but that's pretty normal because we have a higher high, a lower low with three waves down. So, this looks like a potential A, maybe like three waves up for a potential B, and we maybe made a higher low for like a running pattern, like a running ABC pattern, and then continue up like this. I would expect this daily time frame 78% to get hit, and potentially it could go a lot higher than that. If it does go up and make a new high, my new structure level from the 4 hour time frame would move from here to here, which would be good because then if it goes down and breaks structure, we could become bearish. If it just keeps on making higher highs, higher lows, then we'll just stay bullish, trading every pullback we can. So, anyways, don't forget to check out my website linked over here in the corner. And as always, thank you for watching and happy trading.